but it's actually surprising how many people don't know about it.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi, it's Ella. So I have cut my finger right before filming this, so let's just ignore that. But today I'm going to be talking about ways to make your Depop items sell really fast in 2020, because I know how frustrating it can be when you've just got that one item that's just like sitting on your profile and nobody's buying it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you enjoy it, and we'll just get started. So the first thing I would say is, it might sound like pretty basic, but it's actually surprising how many people don't know about it. And it's refreshing your items. So when you've posted your item, it obviously goes into like the search bar type thing for people to search for it. But if you don't refresh it multiple times a day, it's going to get like lost in between the thousands, millions of other listings that are getting posted. So all you have to do, if you don't know, is like go as if you were going to go and edit your item, and then click like repost or post again, and that'll just put it to the top of the search feed. And if you are already doing this, make sure you're doing it like multiple times a day, because you might not be doing it enough, and if people can't find your items, then they're not going to be able to buy it. The second thing is, I'm going to be talking about photos. So I would say don't do mirror selfies, because that just makes it look a bit like unprofessional. Make sure you've got like a clear background and your photos look, you don't need like a camera to take them, but just make sure they're like not really pixelated and really blurry so that people can actually see the item. Also, try and don't just take a picture. Like, say I was selling this top, I wouldn't just take a picture of the top, I'd make like an outfit out of it. So I'd put like some jeans with it, like, and then add like some cool glasses or a cool bag to make your listing stand out from other people's. And I know you could also make it more unique by, you could take the pictures outside, or you could edit some, I know people do like tie-dye backgrounds and that. And because people, when they're searching for an item, they're just going to be seeing loads and loads of stuff, yours needs to be able to stand out like among everybody else's. Another thing that I've seen people do is taking stock images from the website and just using them as their photos. For example, if they were selling a Pretty Little Thing top, they'd just go on Pretty Little Thing and take the image of the model from that website and then put it on their profile. I wouldn't do that, because to me, I don't buy something if it's like just the picture from the website, because you don't know if they actually have it. They could be scamming you for all you know. So just make sure that you take a picture with it on you as well, because it looks more professional. People want to see what it looks like on, and people want to know that you've actually got the item. So the third thing you can do is you can make some kind of a deal. So what I mean by like making a deal is, I used to sell bracelets on Depop, and what I'd do is I'd say like, if you buy 2 bracelets, you can get a free anklet with it. So when somebody sees like, oh, if I buy 2 tops I can get a free sticker or something, or like some sweets or whatever, it might make them more likely to buy it, because it again sets your listing apart from probably the thousands of others they're seeing on Depop. Make it different and make your shop one that they want to buy from. Fourth thing, which is really important, is description. So if I'm, as a buyer, if I search something on Depop and then it comes up but it's like only has a 3 or 4 line description, I'm just not likely to buy it, because it just doesn't look very in-depth. So what I always do with my descriptions is I first say like what the item is, so like what the colour is, what kind of style it is. Then I say something like, this would look so good on you paired with your favourite pair of jeans, because if they can imagine themselves in the outfit, it's going to make them more likely to buy it, because they're going to think, oh yeah, I could put this with this in my wardrobe, or this, you know what I mean? And then another good thing to include is measurements, because I know you always put the size, but if you put the measurements, then they can tell that it's definitely going to fit, and you're not going to have anybody messaging you with problems like, I'm a size UK 6, will this fit me type thing. And you're not going to have anybody being like, I ordered this from you but now it doesn't fit. Also keywords, so make sure you include keywords that are like relevant to your item. So make sure you're putting the brand, make sure you're using hashtags, but don't put really irrelevant keywords. So for example, don't be selling a top and then put skirt, because first of all, nobody's looking for that, and it's just going to get annoying, because it puts me off Depop when people do that. And then also, Depop can actually mark your item as spam if you put a relevant keyword, so you might think you're helping your listening, but you're actually hindering it. The final thing is to not message somebody when they like your item. I know how easy it can be when somebody likes your item, you think, oh, they might want to buy it, so you might message them like, hi, do you want to buy the thing that you just liked on my page? But don't do that, because if they were thinking about buying it now, they're probably discouraged from it and they're probably not gonna. In my personal opinion, if they do that, somebody messages me like, I saw you liked something, do you want to buy it? It just puts a lot of pressure on them and it's actually not very good. Also, just be nice in general, because like if somebody lowballs you and offer, like if they say like, can I have this 50 pence or something ridiculous, don't be like no. Just be like, I'm sorry, that's a bit too low, could you do? And then suggest like something a little bit higher. But also do be reasonable to offers, because like if you're selling something for £22 and somebody offers you 20, you might not get another offer on that unless there's like a really good reason why you know that's not acceptable. So that's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more, and comment down below a butterfly emoji if you made it this far, and I'll see you later. Bye.